Hello traders, welcome back to Forex Strategy Factory. Date of analysis. Today time frame, H1 market condition, strong bullish trend with a temporary pullback. Let me set the context fast. USDJPY printed as high as 159.39 today and even tagged a weekly high near 159.425. Over the last month, the yen weakened about 4.4% and nearly 7.8% over 12 months. Traders are watching for possible Japanese intervention as we approach levels last seen when Tokyo stepped in back in 2024. On higher time frame confirmation, my Ichimoku Scanner on H4 is still showing a green B zone with the arrow and check mark. That tells me three things. The dominant institutional trend is still buy, sellers are only making temporary retracements, and smart money direction remains bullish. So per the master rules, I'm only hunting buy continuation setups. We had a strong impulsive push-up with no deep retrace. After a burst like that, it's normal to see small red candles near the highs, profit-taking, liquidity collection. That is not a reversal, it's just the market catching its breath. So this is not the best spot for fresh buys. Let's move to the Renko structure, the most important confirmation. I'm seeing a counter Renko bar against the main uptrend. In my strategy, that means buyers look temporarily weak and price may drift toward the dynamic support area. That's a trade management zone, not an entry zone. Professional plan. I wait for the next white Renko bar to print back upward. That's my signal that buyers have returned and continuation is likely. Moving averages. The green MA50 is still clearly above the red MA200. Trend structure healthy, no final trend change. Market is preparing for continuation. Key levels I'm watching. The resistance gray zone sits at 158.00 to 159.45. We're trading inside it. A clean hold above 159.45 opens the path to 160.20. Above 160.20, momentum can extend. If we fail inside this zone, a deeper dip toward 155.30, 155.50, or even 152.0, 152.50 is possible, but I treat those as areas to reassess buys if higher time frame structure stays bullish. Macro quick hits. Rate hold odds for the Fed's next meeting are high, which has supported the dollar. Geopolitical tensions keep safe haven demand in play, but lately that's favored the USD over JPY. On the data side, Japan's GDP improved, quarterly up to 0.3%, yearly around 1.3%, but it hasn't translated into a stronger yen yet. Also, short-term models point to 159.43 near-term and possibly 160.44 by March 14th, but I still let price confirm. And remember, intervention risk is real near these highs. Trade management plan: if you're already long, do not add new positions here. Wait for a pullback toward the MA50 zone. When the next bullish Renko prints, move your stop lock profit around the dynamic MA50 and let runners ride with the trend. Final trend, exit rule. I close all positions only if MA50 crosses below MA200. That's the true institutional trend change. We're not there. So I stay calm, manage positions, and follow the trend until the market says otherwise. That's the USDJPY buy continuation playbook for today. Trade safe, trade disciplined. I'll see you in the next breakdown. Forex Strategy Factory.